How to install Google Docs on your Mac. Let's get started. It's very easy. First of all, you would think that you just have to go to the App Store and download it, right? Let's go to the App Store and check it out. I'll type in Google Docs. Here you can see there is no such official application from Google themselves for Google Docs. You have some client applications that will inevitably get you there, but security and all can be compromised. So how do you get an application then? For that, you have to open up Safari, go to Safari, and in Safari type in docs.google.com. Now that you are here, one very simple thing you want to do is go to File. Once you're in File, go to Add to Doc. Click on that, and here you will be asked what do you want to name this, whatever that is you are adding to the doc. I'm going to leave it at Google Docs. You can also have it just as Docs or Google Docs or whatever is preferable for you. Then click on Add, and on the bottom you can see we have Google Docs. Every time I open this up, it is actually going to open up Google Docs. But how does it work? It is just creating an application out of a web page, so it is essentially running out of Safari. But the good thing is that you don't actually have to go in and type it every time on Safari. Even in applications, you can see we have an application called Google Docs, and that is how you get Google Docs on Mac. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.